Hi, I am Dr. Gangi Reddy, consultant pulmonologist working at Columbia Asia Hospital, Sarjapur Road. I am here to discuss a few things about COVID-19. Firstly, we all know that a large chunk of patients infected with COVID-19 are recovering with only milder illnesses. However, there are a few patients who can develop moderate or a severe form of illness. The recognition of this is very important for an appropriate care. As long as the symptoms of COVID-19 are only milder, as long as a patient infected with COVID-19 does not have breathlessness and is able to maintain oxygen saturation of more than 94%, there is no need to worry. There are a few things which a patient needs to be vigilant about. When somebody is having a fever of more than 101 or 102 degrees consistently for 4-5 days, or when the patient is having breathlessness which is limiting his or her day-to-day activities, and when there is a drop in saturation of less than 94% associated with increase in the rate of breathing, these are the worrisome symptoms. They indirectly tell us that the patient's disease can be progressing. These are the patients who would need more medical attention, and they need to consult their doctors, and probably doctors might advise them admission for further monitoring and treatment. These patients would also be advised to undergo CT scan of the chest. The CT scan helps us to assess the extent of the disease and involvement of lungs. In these patients, oxygen therapy, antibiotics, steroids, anticoagulation and supportive care measures are very important, along with constant monitoring by a medical team is also equally important. Injection remdesivir may not be indicated in all hospitalized patients, so it is not very important to have remdesivir in each and every patient. Doctors would be able to judge which patients would need remdesivir and prescribe them accordingly. There are set protocols for COVID treatment across hospitals in India now, and there is no need for the patients to worry about the treatment. In patients who are not responding well to the initial treatment measures, or in patients who are worsening in spite of this treatment, they might need ICU admission for a further close monitoring, increased oxygen therapy measures. Probably patients would need non-invasive ventilator, mechanical ventilation and high-flow nasal cannula therapy. Overall, only around 10 to 15% of patients with COVID infection can develop moderate to severe form of diseases, and there are treatment measures to treat them appropriately. It is very important that a patient stays mentally strong and cooperates to the treatment advised by the doctors and the medical team. I appeal each one of you to be strong and not to panic, rather be cautious. Stay safe, stay healthy. Let's all combat COVID together. Thank you.